हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक। अभी हम अपनी नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज पढ़ते हैं 13.2। सो कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, a solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere. So this is a hemisphere and solid is in the shape of a cone. Now a cone is standing on a hemisphere. So cone is standing on the hemisphere. We can mark this. This is the radius and this is the height of the cone, and this will be the slant height. So a solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter. So radius is given to us, this is 1 centimeter common for both, and the height of the cone is equal to its radius. So height of the cone, this is also given as 1 centimeter. Height of the cone is also 1 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid in terms of the pi. So we are given height of cone is equals to 1 centimeter and radius of cone is equals to radius of hemisphere, this is equals to 1 centimeter. So this is given to us. Now we need to find out the volume of the solid. So volume of solid, volume of solid will be equals to the volume of this hemisphere plus volume of the cone. So volume of the hemisphere, so this will be the volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. So volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So cone का कितना हुआ 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So this is equals to, we can take up from here, we can take up 1 by 3 pi r square h common. So this will be equals to, or simply we can substitute the values because r and h both are given, they are only the 1 and 1. So this will be 2 by 3 pi into 1 cube plus 1 by 3 pi into 1 square into 1. So this will be 2 by 3 pi plus 1 by 3 pi. So this will be equals to pi centimeter cube. So we got the volume of solid is equals to pi centimeter cube. So volume of solid is equal to the volume of hemisphere plus volume of the cone. So now coming to question number 2. Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with 2 cones attached at its 2 ends. So this is a base shape is the cylinder and the 2 cones are attached at its end. So we have made a cylinder attached with the 2 cones attached to it using a thin aluminum sheet. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter. So diameter is given, so we can make out the radius. So this will be 1.5 centimeter and length is 12 centimeter. So complete length is given to us. This complete length is 12 centimeter. So this is 12 centimeter for entire one. If each cone has a height of 2 centimeter, और कोन की हाइट दिया हुआ है 2 सेंटीमीटर and this cone is also of height 2 centimeter and this radius is 1.5 centimeter. So simplify, we can find out this height. So this height will be equals to 2 to 4 subtract हो गया, so this will be 8 centimeter. Find the volume of the air content in the model. So now the height of cylinder will be equals to this is the total height. So this is 12 minus height of these cones. So 12 minus this will be 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2. So this will be equals to 12 minus 4. So this is 8 centimeter is the height of the cylinder, and radius of the cone is already given. So diameter is 3 centimeter divided by 2. So this will be 1.5 centimeter. Now volume of air will be equals to volume of cylinder plus 2 into volume of one cone. So volume of the air inside this model will be equal to the volume of this cylinder plus 2 times the volume of these cones, because there are the 2 cones, so we will multiply by 2. So this will be equals to volume of the cylinder will be pi r square h plus volume of 2 cones. So 2 into volume of one cone will be 1 by 3 pi r square h. So we can take up common. So this will be pi r square h we can take pi r square common. So this will be h is for cylinder and this is the h for cone. So this will be pi r square common. So this will be height of cylinder plus 2 into, or simply we can write 2 by 3 pi r square common हो गया. So 2 by 3 times h cone. Now we can put the value. So this is 22 by 7 into r is 1.5 whole square into height of the cylinder is already got at 8 plus 2 by 3 into height of the cone is given 2. So now we can simplify. This is 22 by 7 into 2.25, then this will be 8 plus 4 by 3. So this will be 22 by 7 into 2.25 times, we can add up. So this will be 24 plus 4 by 3. So we can simplify it. So this will be 22 by 7 into 2.25 into 28 by 3. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja, so this will be 0.75. So on simplification, 7 1 ja 7, 7 4 ja 28. So on simplification we got 66 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of air. So volume of air inside this model is 66 centimeter cube. So this is equal to the volume of cylinder plus volume of 2 cones. Now coming to question number 3. A gulab jamun contains a sugar syrup up to 30% of its volume. Is equals to 30% of volume. Find the approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with 2 hemispherical ends. So अभी एक गुलाब जामुन को बनाया, ये हेमिस्फेरिकल एंड्स हो गए इसके, और एक ये सिलेंडर हो गया, सिलेंड्रिकल शेप, एंड दिस इज द हेमिस्फेरिकल एंड each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 centimeter, with length 5 centimeter. So this complete length is given to us. This is the 5 centimeter, and diameter is already given. So diameter is given, so we can find out the radius. So this is 1.4 centimeter radius given to us. So first of all we will find the volume of one gulab jamun. So this height will be, so this height can be calculated. So this height will be equals to 5 minus 2.8. So we can calculate height of cylinder or length of cylinder. This is the same thing. So this will be 5 minus 2.8, because 1.4 इधर से आ जाएगी ये, दिस विल बी द 1.4 सेंटीमीटर्स, और इधर से ये आ गई 1.4 सेंटीमीटर. तो 1.4 प्लस 1.4 दोनों मिला के कितना हो गया 2.8. सो कंप्लीट लेंथ इज 5 सेंटीमीटर. सो 5 सेंटीमीटर माइनस 2.8, सो दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू 2.2 centimeters. So length of the cylinder we got. Now we can find out the volume. So volume of one gulab jamun, this will be equals to volume of cylinder plus 2 into volume of hemispheres. So this is 2 into the volume of one hemisphere. So substituting the values, volume of cylinder will be pi r square h plus 2 into volume of hemisphere will be 2 by 3 pi r cube. So we can take pi r square as common. So from here this will be h plus and h plus, so this will be 4 by 3 and r square is common, so r is only remaining. So this will be 22 by 7 into r square. R is 1.4, so this will be 1.4 into 1.4 times. H height is already known, so this is 2.2 centimeter plus 4 by 3 into r is 1.4 centimeter. So we can calculate, this is 0.2, so this is 4.4 into 1.4 times, so this will be 2.2 plus 5.6 by 3. Now we can calculate the volume. So this is 25.05 centimeter cube. So now we can find out the volume of 45 gulab jamuns. So this will be 45 into 25.05. So this will be equals to, this will be 1127.28 centimeter cube. So volume of sugar syrup is, this is 30% of 1127.28. So now we can find out the volume of the sugar syrup. So volume of sugar syrup will be equals to, this will be 30 by 100 into, see the 30% of this, so 30 by 100 into 1127.28. So on calculation we will get, this is approximately 338 centimeter cube. So first of all we calculated the volume of one gulab jamun, then the total number of given 45. So for 45 this is the total volume, and 30% of that is only the sugar syrup. So coming to question number 4. A pen stand made up of a wood is in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold the pens. So they are the conical depressions to hold the pen. The dimension of the cuboid are, so cuboid का already हमें dimension दिया हुआ है. So this is 15 centimeter by 10 centimeter. 15 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 3.5. So height is given 3.5. Length is 15 centimeter. Width is 10 centimeter. And height is 3.5 centimeter. So dimensions of the cuboidal are given. The radius of each of the depression is 0.5 centimeters. So depressions are in the conical shape. So these are the depressions. So this is the conical shape depression given to us. And it is given that radius of each of the depression is 0.5 centimeter. So this radius is given 0.5 centimeter and depth is 1.4 and this depth is 1.4 centimeter. Find the volume of the wood in the entire stand. So volume of the wood will be the volume of cuboidal minus the volume of the four conical cavities, because उसका वॉल्यूम क्या होगा, अभी सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा टोटल क्यूबॉइडल के वॉल्यूम से. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ वुड, सो दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड माइनस 4 इंटू वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन. So volume of one cone into 4, because there are the 4 depressions given to us. So volume of wood will be equals to volume of cone cuboidal is LBH minus 4 into volume of one cone will be 1 by 3 pi r square h. So length, this is 15 into 10 into 3.5 minus 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r. R is already given, so this is 0.5 into 0.5 into h, this is 1.4. So 7 1 ja 7, 0.2 times. So now we can find it out. So this is 15 into 35 minus 4 by 3 into 11 into 1. So this will be equals to now. So on simplification, we got this will be 523.53 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of wood. So simply the volume of the wood is equals to the volume of the cuboidal minus the volume of 4 cones. So coming to question number 5th. A vessel is in the form of a inverted cone. एक वेसल दिया हुआ है हमें इन्वर्टेड कोन के फॉर्म में. A vessel is in the form of a inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeter. Height is given to us. So height is 8 centimeter. And the radius of its top, which is open, is 5 centimeter. So this is open at the top and the radius is given 5 centimeter. It is filled with the water up to the brim. So it is up to the brim means this is completely filled up with the water. पूरा भरा हुआ पानी से. When the lead shots, each of which is a sphere of the radius of 0.5 centimeter is dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of the water is flows out. कि अभी अगर इसमें हमने स्फेरिकल शेप की लीड शॉट्स को डालना शुरू किया हुआ तो इसमें से क्या होगा, 1/4 वाटर बाहर आ जाएगा. विल स्पिल आउट मीन्स 1/4 ऑफ द वाटर विल स्पिल आउट. ये भी कंप्लीटली जो ना वाटर से फिलअप है. सो 1/4 ऑफ द वाटर विल कम आउट, और हमने क्या लिया हुआ है, स्फेरिकल शेप की लीड शॉट्स को लिया हुआ है, एंड दिस रेडियस इज ऑलरेडी गिवन, दिस इज 0.5 centimeter for this lead shot. 1/4 of the water flows out. Find the number of the lead shots dropped into the vessel. Now whatever the 1/4 water coming out, so volume of 1/4 of the water will be exactly equal to the number of the lead shots. So जितना नंबर लीड शॉट्स का वॉल्यूम होगा उतना सेम वॉल्यूम किसका होगा, 1/4 of the water is flows out from this conical vessel. So radius is already given, radius of conical vessel, this is 5 centimeter given, and height of conical vessel is given 8 centimeters, and radius of spherical lead shots, this is given 0.5 centimeter. Now see that let the number of lead shots is equals to n. सपोज अभी हमने कंसीडर कर लिया कि हमारी n नंबर ऑफ लीड शॉट्स होंगी जो इसके 1/4 वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर के बराबर होंगी। तो अभी हमने क्या लिखा यहाँ से, सो n इंटू volume of one sphere will be equals to 1/4 of the volume of conical vessel. So conical vessel का जो 1/4 वॉल्यूम होगा, बिकॉज 1/4 ही तो वाटर निकल के आ रहा है, वो 1/4 वॉल्यूम किसके बराबर होगा, इक्वल टू द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द लीड शॉट्स. सो n into volume of the sphere we know, this is 4/3 pi r cube, and this is equals to 1/4 into volume of the conical vessel. So कोन का वॉल्यूम कितना होता है, 1/3 pi r cube. So this radius is for a sphere and this is for cone. So pi से pi cancelled. Now we'll put the value n as it is into 4/3 into radius of the sphere is given 0.5. So this will be 0.5 whole cube equals to 1/4 into 1/3 into radius of this cone. So this is 5 cube. Now we can simplify, 3 से 3 cancel हो गया. So this is now n into 4 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5, this will be equals to 1/4 into 5 into 5 into 5. So now on solving, n will be equals to, so this will be 125 divided by 4 into 4 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. So on solving we got n equals to 100. So the number of lead shots, the number of lead shots are 100. So there are the 100 number of the lead shots put to flow out 1/4 of the water from this conical vessel. So now coming to question number 6th. A solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 centimeter and the base diameter is 24 centimeter, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter and the radius is given 8 centimeter. Find the mass of the pole. So first one is a cylindrical shape that is of bigger diameter, and this is surmounted by another one, this is of a smaller dia. So a solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220. So this height is given to us, this is 220 So height of this bigger dia cylinder is given. This is 220 centimeter and base dia is 24. So radius will be 12 centimeter, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter. For this cylinder, the height is already given. For this height is 60 centimeters. So this height is 60 centimeter. For this, the height is 60 centimeter and the radius is 8 centimeter, and for this radius is 8 centimeter. Find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube of the iron is approximately 8 grams. So we need to find out the mass of this complete structure. So mass will be given as mass equals to volume into whatever the density given to us. So first of all, we need to find out the volume for this. So height of the larger cylinder is given. Height of larger cylinder, this is 220 centimeter, and dia of larger cylinder is given 24 centimeter. So we can find out radius of larger cylinder will be 24 by 2, so this will be 12 centimeter. Again, height of a smaller cylinder, a smaller cylindrical pole is this is 60 centimeter and radius is given. Radius of a smaller cylinder is 8 centimeter. So now we can find out the volume. So volume of structure is equals to volume of larger pole plus volume of स्मॉलर डायापोल. सो अभी हम क्या करेंगे, इन दोनों ही पोल्स के वॉल्यूम को ऐड करेंगे. सो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम इज गिवन एज पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. सो दिस इज फॉर लार्जर एंड एच फॉर लार्जर प्लस पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. सो आर फॉर स्मॉलर एंड दिस इज एच फॉर स्मॉलर. सो पाई वी कैन टेक अप एज कॉमन. सो दिस विल बी आर स्क्वायर फॉर लार्जर. लार्जर की रेडियस कितना है 12. सो दिस विल बी 12 स्क्वायर इंटू एच इज 220 प्लस. सो दिस विल बी रेडियस ऑफ द स्मॉलर. दिस इज 8 स्क्वायर इंटू हाइट. दिस इज 60. सो दिस विल बी 22 by 7. This will be 144 into 220 plus 64 into 60. So we can find out this. So this will be 22 by 7 times. So this complete comes out to be, so this is 111,634.285 centimeter cube. So we got the volume for this. Now we need to find out the mass. So it is given that for 1 centimeter cube the mass is 8 grams. So mass of pole will be equals to, this will be volume into 8 grams. So this is 111,634.285 into 8. So this will be equals to 893,074.28 grams, or we can convert it into kg by dividing by 1000. So this will be 893,074, 1 2 3 places decimal. So this will be 893 kg approximately. So this is 893 kg approximately the weight for the complete structure. So first of all we found the volume into whatever the mass is given for per centimeter cube. Now coming to question number 7th. A solid consists of a right circular cone, of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter, standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter, is placed in a right circular cylinder full of the water such that it touches the bottom. Find the volume of the water left in the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter and height is 180 centimeter. So first of all, we make our figure. This right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius itna centimeter standing on a hemisphere. So first of all, we will make our figure. So this is the hemisphere. A right circular cone is standing on it. So this is a right circular cone standing on it. Right circular cone of height. Height is already given for this. So height is 120. So make this height separate. This height is given as 120 centimeters for this. And the radius is, this radius is 60 centimeter given to us. Is standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter. So radius is same for both. Now this combined structure, so this is also 60 centimeter. Now this combined structure of the cone and the hemisphere, it is put into a right circular cylinder. So now it is in a right circular cylinder. We'll put this into right circular cylinder and it is exactly touching its boundaries. So this is our figure now. The complete structure is put into a right circular cylinder and it is given that the radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter. Radius is same. This is 60 centimeter and height is 180 and this complete height of this structure is given as 180. So this is 180 centimeters. Now we need to find out the volume of the remaining portion. So volume of the remaining portion will be this one only. So this is only the volume for the remaining portion. This green portion indicates the volume of this remaining portion only, because rest of the volume is already occupied by this hemisphere and the cone. So this portion is only the remaining volume. Now we need to find out the remaining volume. So remaining volume will be, see, अगर हम क्या करते हैं, सिलेंडर का वॉल्यूम निकाल के इस कंबाइंड स्ट्रक्चर का जो कोन और हेमिस्फीयर का, इसके वॉल्यूम को सेपरेट कर देते तो हमें क्या मिलेगा, रिमेनिंग रीजन का वॉल्यूम. So we can find out the height of cone. This is given, this is 120 centimeters and height of cylinder is given as 180 centimeters and radius of cylinder is equals to radius of hemisphere and this is equal to the radius of this cone. This is equals to 60 centimeters. So all the radii are equal. Now we need to find out the volume of remaining portion. So volume of remaining water will be equals to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. So volume of cylinder minus volume of the cone plus volume of hemisphere. So this will give us the volume of remaining water in it. So now we will put the values. So this will be equal to volume of cylinder. We know this is pi r square h plus, so this is minus times sum of this volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. So volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So we'll put this value. So this will be 22 by 7, or we can take up pi r square as common. To taking pi r square as common, we got this is h minus 1 by 3 pi r square is common. So 1 by 3 into h and minus, so this will be again 2 by 3 r. So this is 22 by 7, r is 60. So this will be 60 into 60, h for cylinder. So height of the cylinder is 180. So this will be 180 minus 1 by 3 into height of this cone. So this is the height for cone and this is the height for cylinder. So height of the cone. So 1 by 3 into h. H is this height of this cone. So this is 120. So into 120 minus 2 by 3 into r. R is 60. So we can simplify it. So this is 22 by 7 into 3600, and this is 180 minus 3 4 ja, so this is 40 minus 3 2 ja, so this is 20 into 2, so this is 40. So this will be equals to, on solving, so we can solve this. This will be 22 by 7 into 3600, and this will be 100 only. 180 minus 80, so will be 100. So now we can solve this. So this is equals to 1131428.57 centimeter cube, or we can write it equivalent to the meter cube also, divided by 10,000. So this will be 1.131 meter cube. So this is the volume of the remaining water in the cylinder. So coming to question number 8. A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 centimeter long. स्फेरिकल एक तो ग्लास वेसल है, पहले हम स्फेरिकल एक ग्लास वेसल को बना लेते हैं. इस ग्लास वेसल का क्या है, सिलिंड्रिकल नेक है, तो सिलिंड्रिकल शेप में एक नेक बना लेते हैं. सो दिस इज द सिलिंड्रिकल नेक फॉर ए हेमिस्फेरिकल ग्लास. दिस इज द सिलिंड्रिकल नेक. So a hemispherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 centimeter long and 2 centimeter in diameter. So this is 1 centimeter as the radius and this is 8 centimeter long. So this only the cylindrical length is 8 centimeter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. So dia is 8.5, so this will be 4.25 centimeter as radius. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 centimeter cube. Check whether she is correct, taking the above as the inside measurements. Take pi as 3.14. Simply we need to find out the volume and need to check whether the result given by the student is correct or not. So the volume of this will be the volume of this combined structure, volume of sphere plus volume of cylinder. So volume of system will be equals to volume of sphere plus volume of cylinder. So this will be volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of cylinder will be pi r square h. So this is equals to 4 by 3. Pi is 3.14 into r. R is given 4.25 whole cube plus 3.14 into r square. R for this is 1, so 1 square into height is given 8. So now we can solve it. So this will be 4 by 3 into 3.14 into 4.25 into 4.25 into 4.25 plus 3.14 into 8. So on solving this, we get this volume as 346.51 centimeter cube, and the volume provided, so volume calculated by the student is not correct, because the correct value comes out to be 346.51, and whereas she has calculated 345 centimeter cube. So this is not correct. Correct value we have already got. So this is 346.51 centimeter cube. So we have completed 13.2 exercise. Thank you very much. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा आपको समझ में आया होगा. इनकेस अगर आपकी कोई भी क्वेरीज है आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिएगा, ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे अच्छे सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. ओके, टेक केयर, थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.